Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch 2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button, then press the crown button again to open the menu. Next, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the system, and once you find it, tap on it to select it, then scroll down, tap on disconnect and reset. And here you can also enable the option to erase the eSIM if you have the eSIM set up on your watch and you want to remove it. And once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. Be aware though, if you factory reset your watch, it will remove all of your data and settings from your watch. So consider that before resetting your watch. And then tap on the check mark, like I said before, and wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, and once you see the let's go message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.